Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effects in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Duolingo app. And here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. Then we go into preferences. And here at the top we find sound effects. If we tap on sound effects, it's going to turn it off, and then we won't have sound effects inside the app, and we can just turn this back on if we want to. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.